I've just purchased my iron fluorine tea from Eat to Live Not to Die in a new box, as you can see. I've been taking it since July and it literally has saved my life because I've gone through a lot and this tea has changed my whole body structure. So yeah, purchase from Eat to Live Not to Die. I started drinking these teas when I found out that I had to have half my thyroid removed due to like a cyst growing on it. So I started them 2 weeks before my operation just to like cleanse my inside and yeah, to just build up my immune system. Had my operation, and the next day when they removed the staples, the hospital was surprised as to how good my neck had healed, which you can see from the pictures I provided. Yeah, they were surprised because the staples had started to grow into the skin where the skin healed so quickly, and within 2 weeks of having my operation, my skin has actually gone back to normal. So unless I tell you, you can't tell I actually had my thyroid removed. And I do believe that these teas did help because they helped with my oxygen level, they helped to build up my immune system, they helped for my skin cells to repair. So it's something I'd definitely recommend and something I continue to drink.
Hi, so I was asked by a few people to do a review on the iron tea that I was taking. I decided to come off my medication 7 days ago of ferrous fumarate and have gone onto this just solely, and I feel amazing. I had to keep checking in with myself all the time and be like, am I tired? Do I feel weak? Do I feel this? And I haven't. I've been with anemia for 7 years and yeah, it's helped, definitely. I'm going to do another review in a month and just watching what I eat as well, adding iron-based foods, but this is amazing.
Greetings brothers and sisters, our iron fluorine loose leaf tea is available at eattolivenotodie.com, and we would like to say thank you to everybody who has supported us. We do this to be helpful and to add value to people's lives in our community and globally.